Yo, get up, no man.
Yo. Some of them man where you go and suffer.
What you mean by what me go and suffer? You're supposed to cook my food.
Me tell you not sleep when you come and load up on
my What you did I do? What you did I do for your sleep? What you do for tired?
What you mean? No, sir.
What you do for tired?
Wait, they want 20 years sleep. Eh?
Yo, you're not doing nothing for tired,
you are asleep.
You're not doing nothing for tired. You just little in there asleep. Just take up space. And I suck up the whole of ear.
You know sometimes me a cook though, me no mumble. But why when time you a cook you have to mumble? Tell me why. Look here, cut up a chicken and do you. Right now me hungry, you know. Oh, that me I try to do.
Before you name this one, hey, I rather make it turn class at you. Yeah, look here, man.
Hey.
Don't come tell me about rap and cook nothing about you think you left me here?
You notice I'm not argue with you. You notice that, right?
So now good girl and good girl and when that man take up when you used to wash, cook and clean. Now a base sleep when you in a bed asleep.
So what? If me tell me I'm supposed to sleep, me can just walk so me a walk kid machine.
Alright man, think Chris.
But oh look, why in the fridge? Can I tell you what is a meat if you don't cook in a car? I know how to dry kill me.
So what are you talking about?
So I sit now with the day in the fridge. Watch it. One little touch is in the fridge.
I don't find nothing in them and everything, Chris.
You know what, fry? When I do the fry some flour for me, some sugar dumpling, mix it in the plate, because I don't really want to try this one. Is what?
If you know me know,
no.
Why not in my kitchen?
Me tell you this now. Men know you have paint a knife in my face.
If you know me know,
men know you have paint a knife here. If you know who you are dealing with for now. You feel your ex this? Eh? Bright. You want to come and angle. Don't do that. Don't do it.
Everything, Chris. Probably you never get the
everything
memo.
must, Chris. Have to.
You never get the memo. I understand. You never get the memo.
Is it that you go fry that for me or you go deal with the sachets?
Fry what? You know you want to want them. You get up and go look sit in the man.
Look here,
you just sit down and lay down in the bed and get fat. Eh? And if someone did meet you, you know. You think someone did meet you?
So wait there. You want to do mango down like a shower? That's a one? That's a one, see?
You just lay down up in the bed and get
fat. You know
fat.
why you get thick up?
Thick up and a thick up that you see a blouse and skirt weak cartwheel you put around them waist there. Man can't even lift you up again. Yo.
You see you're weak jelly back. Look how me see me you can't lift me up. You're weak jelly back.
Think Chris man.
I see a man like you.
Think everything now.
Man like you?
Everything Chris here.
Let us everything after Chris. Stop for a long time that. And do what you have to do. I can lie down back. I go back and lie down. Mats up that. When I done, I come for something to eat.
You see all you? Cause you know say you got that, you know.
Look here.
Cause you know say you're good, man. Everything Chris here.
Look here. We are a couple. I don't understand why every day we get up and cuss. Like we are pussy and dog. I don't like it. I tell you that no.
Then you do something. Then do something about it now. You're not doing anything.
We are customers on simple things, rubbish.
What do you mean by? Sometimes if you take it out, no, if I'm arguing about it, then take it out.
Look here, I'm not arguing with her right now. I'm going to go back in the room.
I never signed up for this, you know. No, what kind of... You make me feel less of a man, you know. Eh? I never feel like a man anymore. Because I'm just me do all of the housework. And claim say you love me. This is bullshit. But carry the bucket go well. One day the bucket, the bottom must fall out here. And every day I go stay like this. Fed up of your crosses style and your attitude. It never work.
You know, somebody don't talk to you. That's why I sit down out here so I think about when I go say to you and how I go say it. Because I don't want you to take it no other way from how me dream see. You understand?
Your dreams is something?
Yeah, me I dream some things, but...
Well, I'm still going to listen to this because it's not so serious. What kind of things you dream see?
Me I get some serious dream. But you see, me trust you, babe. Me not say dream no can straight, you know. Some dream straight, and some are just foolishness. Maybe some people say, actually you eat late or whatever, but me never eat none late. And me a dream see a one woman, me dream see you find a white woman on the beach.
Me not depend upon that.
And the work where you do, on the beach you go do your little juggling and something, you hustle on the beach, you get your money and so. Me just want to make sure you say, you're not cheat for me. I don't say I do it, you know. I know say you're a good man, and the way I love you, I know say you wouldn't cheat for me. So, I tell her straight up. I don't like the dream.
Nobody have that dream.
No, I don't like the dream, but I don't say I saw it go. I don't follow a dream. I don't follow a dream. I just make you know say my dream say you have a white woman on the beach.
No, no white woman. Around somebody. Not me.
Are you me seeing a
yeah,
dream?
But sometimes dream show you some people from ancient days and then something that, not me. I can't me. I'm going to depend on something there. You know me already, all I do is sell me little things in my bag and come home and take care of you. You understand?
You make sure say you're not giving no bun because I never have them kind of dream yet, you know?
No bun no did. No bun no did.
No bun no did?
No bun no did.
Oh. Alright.
That not sell for my shelf.
Okay.
You understand? Say that for yourself.
Alright.
Yo, just something you have to just understand. Say dream no walk straight now there now. And sometimes I can smile in your family from way over so. You understand? Because I remember if your brother bad and sitting to you know.
Then if somebody in my family, I give them a woman bun. Would that concern me? What are you doing in my dream?
Yeah, because
my family can they?
But none of that me at all. Me I say I saw dream no walk straight.
Oh.
You understand? That you have to understand. But yeah, I come go in the card, I tell you already say, based upon the timing, the earlier me down there. Come if I did it like when people are sell like, you know, lunchtime, people cannot, you know, down on the beach and so forth. So I have to go as early as possible. So I walk the beach go up front and walk the beach go around there, so you understand? So I better time for me for right now.
Alright.
Yeah?
Me feel like more and pray about the situation because me feel like more and pray about it because when one woman have a man, they have to pray for them, you know, to protect them from the other rest of them way out there. Because you know some womanizer and some manizer out there. And I don't really want no girl come look on you every minute. You know?
No, man,
especially I want white girl look on you so you know and my dream say and him there. The way she look on you, she draw your attention and you're not the right out and the dream say me you left.
Listen to me, man. Nobody think about it sitting there.
So me need to bind up them there.
Listen, later on you pray for me. Yeah? Later on I come home, me pray. Because me have to live right now. So me follow later on, then we start the prayer. Because I know if you pray long
know why you left me for no white girl, you know, through them have little money, you know.
Listen to me, man. If I'm money, I win my thing, we gone a long time. You understand me?
But up on the beach, you're there.
Listen
and
to
you
me.
see what's all your rasta, then go take you away from me. And then, me no love no other man, and you, me love.
Alright, listen to me.
Me no love no other man, me no want no other man. You are for me, man. And me no want no other man look for me neither.
Broke.
Oh.
Broke.
What you say?
Just easy, man. Understands everything under control, yeah? Look more you can pray for me. Right now, me have to go out and go sort out. You understand me, I say? So don't worry yourself, man.
Alright,
yeah?
may God go with you.
Give thanks,
And I hope it crosses woman, them no put them eye upon you. Because I don't want no crosses girl take away my man. And what? My man and my man, I'm serious when it come on to my man. This is not Christmas.
Hello?
Hello?
What going?
Oh my God. I see you sound sweet on my phone, man.
Stop going like.
Yo, no star real talk.
Oh
You know what
yeah.
I mean? Sound like a really angel that speak to me right now. I'll never die and wake up.
Sure. I want going. Pay
You know, some of the work I know up on the beach, I try to sell some of them stuff, yeah. You know what I mean? But you don't know it already. But I take the time and hustle. How are you? You alright?
Yeah, me dey here home alone.
Okay, good, cause
The piece of man gone on the road.
that me I said to you, say, find a dirty man in the road, you know, see alright, cause you know, sometimes some man break some woman heart, you know what I mean? And there's a try to get back at them some way, somehow. And them don't know, say, from the moment them break them heart, that is it.
For real?
Yeah, man, you know what I mean? Cause me want you know, say, you're a very special person, you know. And you know, your special vibes is not something you can find on planet Earth. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So you eat already everything?
You eat already? You see it?
No, sir.
Yeah, you see it? You connect it up?
Yeah, up to flow me the here, it's still piece of sachets. You eat already?
Yeah, man. You know, so me, get down on some food earlier on, some vegetable thing. You know, thing already, I eat them. You know what I mean? So,
veg.
Yeah, me eat some veg today and, wrap some soup and, what a vibe.
Let's go on.
I mean, I say right now, if I have the real, actually, I don't want my woman to find out certain things like that. You know what I mean?
I'll share next one too.
How about she, man? She alright. Just make sure you go and be a friend to her just the same way. No make not change.
Yeah, we know that.
You know? Yeah, but one of them days more me just, make up a nice little plan so we can link up. You know? And
Yeah,
have some
man,
time
then
for
there.
Yeah, because I love when you smile, I love when you smile. And when you smile, it does something to me, man.
You say,
that butterfly feeling, you know what I mean?
you're full of talky?
Oh my God, I should, babe. I should. You don't know, Sir Rasta speak the truth already.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah, man. So anytime now, I'm supposed to hit the road and forward in and reach home and things. So you don't know anything now. Yeah?
Alright then. Just stay a heal up you still.
What you mean? I don't know, so if I feel lonely, just send me a text me.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Alright, babe. So just enjoy the day, alright?
Alright,
Don't make
thank
the
you.
dirty man spoil the day. Don't make the dirty man spoil the day.
Could never.
Right? He's a dirty man.
Dirty man.
Alright, going round.
Alright, that's all.
Alright, babe.
Alright.
Enjoy. See you later.
Alright. Welcome, babe. Are you home?
Kind of babe. So, what you there though?
We need fry 2 flour and 2 sachets.
The house look a mess. The place still mess up. What the whole day there, Brittany, what you been doing?
Me did just sleep and I get up and look about something. Me even want one drink so nothing left for to drink.
That is my point exactly. Brittany, you can't live, so you just there so now do nothing, so.
So where you going so far?
What you mean by what me are going so far?
You not fear behave like that, man. Calm down.
You mean man, me not fear behave like that? Brittany, you name me out of house, you name me out of land, you name me out of food, you name me out of rice, you name me out of oil, you name me out of everything. Me not have nothing left when time come. What you do? Brittany, you can't live, so.
Yeah, come on, but I'm not worried all of that.
What? Brittany, I come home from work for almost 10 hours a day, Brittany. I'm supposed to come home to a warm cooked meal. You can't do this.
Some of the things you would care food from off the road. Normally you do that.
I always do it because I know you're not going to do it, but Brittany, I tell you, I want to changes.
Look here, if I know, if I need you to do it, why you come on and cuss them?
I want to changes, Brittany, man. I talk to you about this, then you must have to improve this sitting, Brittany, man.
Put on this right, that's for me and pass on white skin wipe off my hand.
See, put a little plate on the bed. Auntie, you want to take away?
Take we where you eat or take a cover. Yes, seriously, me sleep over there, sir. When the answer move video, I can't just look.
Look like me should have just listened to my friend. I really got to, because you're pretty, you know.
Look
The
here.
people them say me not fit to got no pretty woman, you know. And you see
Listen
what
to
your
your-
cause.
Listen to your friend them. Listen to them.
Brittany, them up, but you prove them right about now. You know I do nothing in that house, Brittany. One time Ghani used to wash, used to cook, used to clean. You stop do all of that, y'all get fat.
So when me get fat, I'm not supposed to get fat.
How that benefit me? Me can't lift you up no more.
I can't use a wheat jelly because I said before. I'm going to always say that until I can't manage me again.
Brittany, man,
Wheat
you
jelly bag.
can't do this, Brittany, man.
I just couple pounds to put on, you know. You know if you behave like that.
Only the pounds me talk about, Brittany. I have to help do something, Brittany, man. Remember, say me have all like, I me foot all like bills, you know. And me pay the rent, you know, Brittany.
yeah, the man.
Where you sleep, you know.
You're supposed to be the breadwinner. You're supposed to go out there and work and come in back.
But you not do nothing to help me. You just lay down and just send me out of house and land, so.
Me and them you out of house and land.
Brittany,
Not talk to nobody here,
what
please.
do you mean?
Don't do it.
But Brittany, you not contribute to nothing when we do. Can't, you know, man, you have to go do something about this, Brittany, man. I don't know. I feel like we need a break.
What kind of break?
I feel like,
You see, if I need a break, it makes sense to go and go sleep and wake up here and stop in it. Because you chat foolishness. But
Brittany,
break.
I love you, but I feel like we need a break.
No break now go nowhere. We not go for no break.
Brittany, you treat me like me is a piece of wood and you is a chichi.
Because he's a hood. Look here. Me can't bother with the man name we argue with woman. Like them a mama man or a sissy man. Me don't know which one to put it. You see me? So me just take my plate and go put it down kindly and do what me have to do. Because I'm not trying to disrespect from you. Because I notice that you try to do. I'm not going to take it. Sorry. No can do. Excuse.
How much something me say? And all she talk about is me and mama. She not help do nothing in her house, Father God. And me have to come home come clean.
Yeah, mumble in there. Nobody feel like I'm not going to wash up the plate. The plate when me use, me I go wash it.
But the only plate you use if you wash it was always wash it sitting in Brittany. Look on the basket, it's full of dirty clothes.
What's one of my clothes in that? And next thing, me never know says I'm maid here, look. Me never sign up for none of this. Me never sign up for this. So, if it's a maid here, look, you're going out there, go look at me and come back.
Brittany, from you come here, Brittany, at your style, you look in your bed in your Brittany.
What?
You don't do nothing in your house. Look on the towel still up on the door.
So which part if you go? Where if you go then?
Outside on the line, Brittany make sun catchy.
Sunlight a pitch from the window and see they look a bit tight to touch on this. You see me push it back a little. When time I done, me turn it on the next side and make it apart get sun. Can't believe walk downstairs right now. Tired of that.
Brittany.
What?
Brittany, just give me a second. Give me a second.
May I slip out my hand, please?
Give me a second, babes. Just give me
Me
a
I hear. Just stop going, son.
Just hear me
I
out
don't
now,
like
please.
how you go on, man, talk. Me I hear. Me need to go wash up my plate. Next I start cuss about you again.
Brittany, I don't think this is going to work.
Hey, you must be joking.
Brittany, but how this not benefit me none at all. You never want me to touch you.
Look here, I'm not in this with you right, you know. Talk what you want to talk. If you're tired of me, you go and go sleep. That's all I can say.
You see why man go road go take work?
Hold on, boo.
There, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah, deal with.
They are stressed out.
Every time I see you since recently, from the year start, you ever stress out. What's your problem now again?
There's just, how to put this now? A bit of changes in my relationship. Everything just change up. If I feel better, I want to so bad. But I feel worse.
So you want to tell me, say, A problem between you and your man same way from last year and take 2023 care over in a 2024.
I know me and him. Look here, you know, so when me and him just in a relationship, right? I was this type of girl. I do everything was supposed to be done. And they take advantage of me and look here, he's a woman beater here. That man is a woman beater. But it's because I start stand up on my foot and now firm. Make you see no raise the hand off of me.
Brittany, let me tell you something.
Me used to he used to abuse me.
Hello. Me and you are friend. I'm going to tell you the truth where God love. I know you're not going to like it. You see that the man that we are there with are the best man you ever there with in your whole life. I'm not telling you like every other man you have beat you. Are the only man you have where don't beat you. The only thing
so we are me, look here, me just...
Me take up for me now.
But the only thing... when it happen?
They me know say. The only thing when me know about that man there, he ever they cook, wash and clean like I my girl like us. You lovely down in a bed and asleep. Brittany, me and your friend. And me now go back, go tell him man say you come to me with this. But you're not fit do it.
Just listen to me and say
no, you're not fit do it, girl. You're not fit do it.
At first, I mean they do all of that day. And friends start abuse me. Look here, me say, you know what? Me just me done all of the good things.
But at first you used to do it.
But then that me I try to explain to your friends what I never did and listen.
Housework a woman work. So if you have one man and he help you in the work, a good man, but that don't mean if you left all of the housework for him, man or girl. How do you feel okay, like?
You know what?
No,
okay,
right
it makes sense. We never come over here.
No, if you, Brittany, yes, when you have one friend in a life, we say your real friend, you see if they don't tell you the truth, they are not your friend. And me as a friend, I may take you for one good friend. And me don't tell you the truth. Girl, stop your man bun. And they left him to cook, and I wash your dirty clothes. And me not like him, man. You see, if me piece of man, you see me have over here, so? Eh? One thing with him, you know.
You know, me and your friend, I'm not like what I did with it, to the honest truth. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
You will never like the truth. Because you see, this girl when named Brooke will always going to tell you the truth. So you see, if you want this man, me as your friend Brittany, after we they come from so far, just to know how your relationship stay together.
I don't care how you saying it, the way how you say it.
Brittany,
how you say it.
You see, you know me know you a long time. For years. And you see, if I not talk to you that way, you're not going to get it. You're not going to understand and see what they do to the good man.
Good man.
Brittany, you know how much girl out the road want a man like your man who that wash, cook and clean for them?
You're not going with him then.
You hear you? And when you left him now and go take up your words, you run come back to him or come back come call me.
I come back to nobody.
And come ask me if you go beg him for you.
I'm not going to ask you.
Like what you always do.
Bro, I'm not do that.
Like well, smell little piece of man when I have over here, so me love him. Although I don't have no money like your man, me love my man. Because you see my man, he will go work. If me in the house they work and he say me tired, babes they want me help you do this, help you do that. Sometimes I have to say left it because the man don't know woman, you know, supposed to take over woman job. They go out the road, go work and they come back and work in the house. Yes, sometimes I make him help me, but me not left everything for him. We are woman who keep us clean, cook give we man, take care of them.
I'm wearing dirty clothes them.
I know you wear them, you see, same
right.
thing, Brittany. I know you wear them. And I know me wear my man clothes them, but it's my responsibility to keep him clean. We women supposed to take care of a man, cook, wash and clean, make sure so them alright and comfortable, just like how we want them make we comfortable. I mean, no one say for your man, me know a long time he ever they work and they carrying food and everything come give. Brittany, you're not hungry at all.
So wait there, however man carrying food come give me not supposed to do it. He's supposed to.
You're not, you see it? You want the man to take care of you and you not take care of him. Here where you go ask me say, if I you, no, me not like where you just ask me say. Me not like where you just ask me, but if I you wear your man clothes then. No, Brittany.
But
you too out order. If you have one good man and go work hard in a sun and they sweat and they come in with money, come take care of your pay all your bills then, make sure say you're alright. You go turn around and ask me as your friend say, if I you they wear your man clothes, to me I tell you to wash your man clothes and cook and clean and everything. No, you're too wicked. You're supposed to take care of your man. Look here, you can't they look for the man, they take care of your son and they love you up and give you all of the attention and the affection and you not give back nothing in return. You think sex is all? You think sex is all? You just want to have sex every day. I don't know me keen breed and give you 55 pitney because it look like that you want to sit down in the yard.
When you give me the 55 pitney, you want to complain and say you're not doing anything.
But you go run and left them the time there.
Can't run and left me.
No name can't. And don't say never.
Never.
Never say never. And it cannot happen. Yeah. Nothing no name can't. Everything possible right now.
Make a conversation because you're going to make people out the road hear me business.
Hey babe.
Hello. Yeah, man.
Hi, where you care for me?
Why you don't say that no go on for the beach today?
Alright, no problem. Can you always care for me? And I'm not nothing that can answer.
But no go on talk.
Alright, so yeah, man. Anyway, you dinner the inside.
Dinner inside?
Yeah, man. But remember to have your shower first because all of the sea salt depend your front for the beach.
Yeah, man, no worries, sir.
Yeah.
I'll deal with it. Yeah.
Alright. Really, me don't like what you say. You need to change your ways. You say go lose a good man. And you go sorry.
A good man, I go lose me. Because me a good man.
If you answer that,
You're supposed to, because...
you're not gonna like what me I go say. Cause you
No,
say,
I'm
you say me and a friend and how me they bash you. And I know when me say how me say it. How me I go say it. The way you are behave with that kind of man there.
You ever see him behave with me yet?
Brittany, me and a friend long time and me know your man good. Long
know-
time.
you know my man good,
Long time me know him. Me not tell him lie, me not take up film and me don't want your man. But me I tell you the truth where God love. He's a good man and a whole heap of woman out there would have love to have one man like that.
You would have loved to have a man like mine.
Stop take disadvantage of the people them boy pick me.
Me not do it.
You hear what me say?
You know, me can't have this with you right now,
Stop
later.
take disadvantage of the
Me I
people
come
them.
over because I never come over here for this year. This conversation never for lead so far. Me come to talk to you about
Brittany
something.
nah lead gun no more
Yes,
right here
stretch
so.
it from yes, I gone weird so.
No, I'm here and talk and nobody not hear it.
If
Listen.
I'm outside, if
No, they're not here. People gone and they work and all about all over the place. And me there, so you come and me here to me advise
could I
them.
miss Joyce and catch her ears and say, could I?
You see she know? She know better than you know. Cause every day she and fear man over there in a problem see me, you know. Me I wonder if she they follow you know, cause since recently, me know say you want Joyce a cock up over here when if you come over here to contact me. But to me and encourage and tell her the good way, you don't like it, I never you want to follow. Go on over dirty Joyce. Go on over Joyce yard. Go on over dirty Joyce yard till Joyce take with your man. You see, you see some girl
Yes, make me work on that with me. You're going to come for money, man.
Joyce can dash, go dash your pan mama. Look at why? Don't make me laugh, girl, because dirty Joyce can't talk to me. Oh, me ain't know with Joyce. Hey, girl,
Oh,
you see Joyce?
take them and talk. Stop trying to
You
work
know,
money.
let me stop the fine thing situation. Because look here, you see
Right,
that?
now,
Let me tell you something, you see Joyce? You know why me can't friend with Joyce? She when they grows up on me man too much. I mean, I want no girl close to me man. You are idiot. Because she say a good man you have and she say you don't know the use of a good man. She not have to news for you about your man because she going to take with your man.
Oh,
And you
Joyce.
not stop
Oh,
until
Joyce.
you lose your man.
Just can't take my man.
I only for old foot take enough young foot man. So shut up. Young but no one stammer want to you. What you do? You fool now what? Hey, Joyce, you're lucky you're not giving me down so. Down at the bottom part of the market, you know, one of the back of Sav. Round there so when the fish them, the good nice fat fish them. You see when me go round there so, and Joyce name them a call up. Oh, Joyce old but he no call. And she have the good. Me sorry for you. Joyce encourage you to come over here and wash your man clothes and cook your man. You're lucky. Look more at Joyce and your man there go see. Why?
You know,
You can't say me never want you.
me not,
You can't say me never want you.
me not in this here.
Where you not
die.
in? You don't want nobody take your man. You never feel man when you not take your him.
You know what, later,
Yes,
I can't go.
Stay there until Joyce take with your man. Don't worry yourself.
Gonna call up, Joyce.
You love go people here go cock up your
Miss
foot
Joyce!
and don't wash out your you see it
I
over
go over
Joyce you
Joyce
gone.
yard.
You like it mix up
You
and
know,
that's why
me
you
can't
go
go my
take
yard
with your
instead,
man
yeah,
from
man.
you. Cause you don't know if you take care of your man, you ready to go mix up. And God Joyce you go take your ass and clean her dirty floor. You're too fool. You're lucky Joyce, you know no sense. I told me and your friend make me not take that them man they make me never have no man and see. And make me never friend. A good man that. Although my man good. So me I take care of my man. You alright. So go along over Joyce. Joyce don't give away they look for. You alright.
you look like something though?
You know do nothing. I'm a friend Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah, you know say me and Brittany are friends for a long time.
Yeah, but what do you have Brittany now?
Me not trust her.
You mean trust her?
Because I would come out her mouth.
Let Brittany alone, man. Brittany no have no style sometimes, but I just fear I think that I'm fear, man. I'm not trust them neither. Be nice.
You don't trust them neither?
No,
so you
because-
never say nothing to me?
No, but me not talk no business like that because you forward down and chat.
No, listen now. And I chat me a chat her, you know. She's my friend. You and me don't know say me and Brittany are friends long time. But when you have a friend, if you cannot tell them the truth, you and them is no friend.
That's true.
And they talk to her and the way how she dey act and whatever she dey make come out her mouth about her man, me feel say she a get her man bun.
You feel the share girl, man, boy?
Yes.
We do
And
that.
me all me feel know, but me no think I judge me a judge her. Well, if me the judge her, God forgive me. But guess what? The man when me know say Brittany have, a man where we all cook, wash up. Me come over the yard much time, you know, me go over the yard much time. Me see how the man operating, cook, clean and sit and Brittany we all lay down in a bed. You know, like some lazy woman. Me no know how the man keep up with them this foolishness.
So you come over here and watch the man a cook?
No, I know watch me, they watch them. Me and Brittany are friends. See like how Brittany come on me yard, and so me go to Brittany yard.
So you are watching man?
Me nah watch him man.
So how you have a conversation?
No, listen. Me and her have a conversation.
Okay, you want to sit down?
No, me no want to sit down. How she dey behave with her man. You understand? And when me come over here a couple times to show, me really see man a cook and a wash and a do all kind of thing. But me get to understand. Say, when some woman they have man with for them man, they start behave certain type of way with them personal man. So me know I use that and I try to get you out of Brittany. I know she can't answer me say I'm a bunch she a give her man. And me say to her, you know, me say Brittany if you top give your man, but I know she no answer. So that I give me one little in say maybe I hit a happen for you.
That's the problem.
And I hit a cause the problem. Cause talk it
How
to
much
me.
money is a get man bun?
How much? Me no business how much, you know. And me no want to know how much, but she not supposed to do that.
But if you don't want to know how much, so make you just in a for them business. So just let for them business.
No, she am my friend. If I did me, you don't know Brittany.
Yeah,
Everything about me, she come to me about
but
it.
the argument me you know with a while ago, it make no sense. What kind of friendship that?
It makes sense.
What
It
kind
might
of
not make
sense
no
make?
sense to you. You're a man, we are a woman. We sit down and talk certain things where you won't really sit down and talk about. But if Brittany see me and do something wrong as my friend, would I like her to encourage me and talk to me about it and tell me say, no, that not right, you know that not right. Cause that can't happen.
Bro, listen to me.
That can't happen in one relationship and it continue in a no trustworthy. That can't happen because if you want your man to trust you or a woman to trust you, you can't cheat on one another.
That's true. So bro, what make you have this for your brain now? I want because I dream this morning.
No, I'm not true because no, I dream.
You come tell me about dream, then you come tell me about say, you know, trust Brittany, then you soon me not like how this a go. A long day me having.
Babe, listen.
Listen, me say man, you have a long day and thing. Me have to just go out the door, just go relax a bit.
What you mean? Me and you there. And if you don't want me to talk to you about this, which other man me to go talk to
No,
about
yeah,
this?
so talk about it.
Yeah, but to me, you don't want to hear it.
No,
You know?
I want to hear it,
Why?
but I'm just saying it is too constant. And you have to make sure that you protect your mind and your frame. It's like how you think. Oh, alright. Enough time me see I watch a little bit on your phone, on TikTok and sitting with this star man, this and relationship breakdown, man a cheat on this and all them something. So you can bring more influence on you and
You
you
know,
can
bring no
start think
influence
about
for
certain
me,
things.
because I'm no idiot. Listen, my friend, so our business is my business. Cause my business
have to be.
become, yes, my business become fair business all the while she come to me. You don't know when me and her sit down and talk about my business.
Right now, Britney's supposed to be there asleep right now, and you there as stress.
Me nah stress, me just no want she put herself in a no problem and go fall in love with no man and then man.
But she fall in love with her man already.
No, listen.
What you say?
Not her personal man me talking about now. Me no want she go fall in love with no other man then let me put in the other man when she already have her personal man and go mad out her personal man or make her personal man go damage her.
Yeah, but you remember.
And my friend me no want nothing for do her. You can't have 25 man.
Since we not in business, you remember how that the man used to treat her? When
That
she come home and I cook for him and she feel say she salty pot. So him fling the food out the door.
But then talk about it, then war already and him done and then forgive them one another.
You hear what you say about them talk about it, then war about it.
Yeah, them men war about it and talk about it and all pastor then go and pastor pray for them about it and then start be a humble.
You see what you say? You say then that means say he will have all right to do it to him? To her?
No, he not no right to do it to him because I told him I'm
a friend. To her, then apologize, then go pastor.
No, but he not do it again. At least they in a one relationship now. We no war, no he in like one time.
You never supposed to start from
because you can't forgive your partner, you know, but it depends.
What if me come in the house and just box you down? You gonna forgive me? You can't go pass and make a pray about it?
You can't just look for me and box me down so for nothing at all. And if you box me, I go back to your back and I decide to them. Me's not Britney. Because me not take no lick from you. Me not do you nothing.
But you remember one time when we see the man walk in the house because he hear say she a give bun and he just walk it and box her down and we hear box from way on the back. And we run back a light.
Well, you don't know all of that, because when me go out the road, me hear it from the horse mouth say Britney when they give him bun for two with John. John with Patricia down the road.
John?
Yes.
Dr. John you talk about?
I mean, no say I told you, but me never say nothing to you.
John you sell the market you talk about?
Okay, of course.
How long that now?
Good little while when yesterday when they war. Because the man love her, the man jealous of her. And me no want the man end up to Britney nothing. So me no want him go fall in love with no other man when he make this a man I don't fall in love with him. Well, Britney no fit take nothing from the man if he no want him. And if he left him then and leave him alone make him move on with his life. Why she a go there with one man where she no want, she no love, and she dey fall to one next man. Go on to the next man. Why you have to hide in a bathroom pan phone? Because I catch her, you know. I told me no confront her with it, you know.
So other
day me go her yard. And me hear she dey chat to one man on the phone in the bathroom.
But you hear the man what she talk to?
Me no hear the man voice, guys. She no put it on speaker. But you see what me hear Britney they say? Me know say a one man she dey chat to while her man did in the kitchen the wash plate. But me no say nothing.
Most one ballin'.
What you mean, boss, for a ball? No can one Rasta too?
Yeah, Rasta live their life so. Fire upon that man, brimstone. You can't talk them something about Rasta. Rasta live their life so. Rasta live killers.
Oh.
You understand me? I say Rasta straight. That's why he made them straight out. You understand? So nobody.
So what make you take up for Britney?
I'm not take up for nobody.
And my friend and she wrong. Me go tell her say she wrong. Me not take up for her when she wrong.
But me not take up for nobody. Me I take up for you. You understand?
What you take up for me with now? What?
Take it put on your head.
Me not take it put on my head, but me no want nobody come kill off my friend. Yeah, through she a cheat.
No man, you need to stop watching something upon the social media where I show you a kind of relationship or feel. And you know them sitting there.
Some things where you see on social media is reality. They happen in a real life too. So if someone who don't know what me know, who go watch it and take in what them a teach people. I know everything on social media fake, you know. Some are real thing.
I have me say like a prison. I can say a long time it's camp on the beach. I said,
alright. Me did look about something for you eat. You know want it?
Me go back and go relax.
So you dey on beach whole day and just come back. You not go bed first but sit down on the back and one it was.
Me cool out. Me can't go bed in the cold water.
I just thought me did come to you about and argue me and argue with you.
Catch you look at water in a pan for me so me can go bed. So catch your water, me go cool out.
Me already catch up water from man. Every minute water gone. So you not go in a bathroom with water. I'll be just bed.
No, not going about. John, you up on your ends? Alright, come link me. Me run at the back of my yard. Just walking, yeah. Nah man, nothing man. I just reason me ask you some, question because I want to look at a situation where I'm not really clear about. Yeah. Brother, school man, what I'm to you man? Yo, mama, you're fine right now, right? Alright, let's see how I put it again. Yeah, man, forward.
So I go on Raj.
Why me there, Mr. John? Jesus Christ, man.
Today I go and hold them now and relax myself.
What you
So
mean,
when I
bro?
hear them say give me a call, I say me a calling.
What you mean, man? 'Cause I don't know a thing, but we have family.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
I'm gonna ask you right now still. And I really, something what I bubble upon my mind and all them something, in there. But I just something what me hear about today. I just want to find out, cause me, yeah, I'm putting in little things.
Yeah, man. Me and her when I go on this.
When you're not going,
On night time.
what you done now?
Yeah, man. And I never nothing too big to, so nobody have it like a nothing too big. I just want liquor. You know how you go.
Yeah,
You know how you thing go.
Want to go quickie?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm just want to find out that thing. Is
So,
that...
I'm not cut it for you, man.
No, you're mad, man.
Oh, what you ask me the question?
No, man. Just because, say if a nice weapon is key, man. We are here while going and, I don't really want to know, say, one day the man will kill him over there and sitting there. I just want to find out certain things, that's all. You know what I mean? So how work are going?
Everything I go on, man.
Oh,
Everything I go on. You know, we not give up.
That's true. Because even though I'm there still, I don't really see as often like we used to. Hold a drink and hold a vibe on the corner and, you know what I mean?
That's
Things
true,
like
boy.
it change when we get busy. So nobody feels say me out of sight, out of mind. And that's how I go.
Nah, man.
Just that make busy. But, alright, you are going. Just keep this confidential between me, Alright, sir?
I do it, man.
Big up yourself and thing. So for your mom? Your mom's good?
Yes, man.
Big up for me.
Mom's always alright,
Big
man. I
up
know
for
how
me.
thing go.
Alright, brother. Man has nice.
Alright.
Yes,
And
sir.
it's she overseas, you know.
She overseas now?
I want to you.
Bumper! Nice
Soon
that.
there too.
Oh, you mean?
Alright, so.
Manners, yes,
I
sir.
say a word, man.
And we talk. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
There's so much man with me. Think to me first.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm telling.
John.
What you dey do? Look here, me tell you this now. Don't come touch me and feel like say everything alright. Me and sleep and you touch me same time. What am I to you?
You know, babes.
What you mean me not feel behave so? And you make me behave like this. Things you do me in the past. A time for me take my revenge. No, me not make you treat me like an idiot again. Me not make you do it.
You not treat you no way.
You not treat me no way, no.
I can't touch my woman again.
You can't, look here. Imagine me want to sleep and you wake me up.
So, babes, I just touch your car the morning cool and...
The morning cool, wrap up underneath the sheet. You notice I'm not come under the sheet without going to sleep though? Because I'm not really there and nothing with you. Yo.
You know, babes.
Excuse you, hon.
So, yeah,
I
babes.
feel like go back go lay down.
So, yeah, babes, you in my bed with me. And I can't touch
So
you.
what if me then in your bed with you?
And I can't touch
That
you.
not give her the right to touch me.
But you're not my woman.
And
So then if you're my woman, I'm supposed to can't touch
look
my
here, if
woman.
me don't want you to touch me, don't touch me. Simple, that's all. Because the last time I check, I'm my body. If me say do not touch me, don't touch me. Please, don't do it. Don't do it.
So they say reach, you know?
Alright, they say reach. Me know to say you look a clown, but you stop at the wrong bus stop. Remember me tell you that.
So, I can't in my bed and feel horny and want to touch my woman.
Take a step and go to the bathroom if you feel horny. Sorry, me can't help you. So come out of this too. Me say, you know you born me for you? You know you born me for you? You born me for you?
Really?
Yes, really. You know I'm gonna come out of this to you, man. You just hit me.
I'm not for talk, I'm not for say nothing. So I can't, I'm listen to somebody else's house, this I can't feel nice. I can't get nothing from foolish technique. Home if you do with my woman and my woman not even want to have sex with me. Man else woman asleep with them and my woman have sex with me. Now you are thing there broke husband man. Yeah man, now you work on the grill there on the beach.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you see a man.
How are you going? How am I doing now?
No, you don't do me nothing, you know. Your wife and my lady are close friend, you know.
Broke later, yeah, honey? Yeah.
Outside your head.
I don't want nigga me I go still, but everything good?
Yeah, man. Yeah. I don't decide my head, you know. I'm actually a manager for Richard Brown's hotel and inn. Yeah.
Nah, man, you're away from a virgin, so you can't go on. You know what I mean? But
yeah, I go still, you know, but I said that for ask you a question. Is me coming now? Being honest, it's not one for talk my business or road or fast in a people business, but never look a question I want to ask you. Listen, your wife and my wife are close people. Them though.
yeah.
You feel like your wife tell my wife all heap of things are like everything?
Yeah, man, kind of a virgin and talk. Even the other day when we found in, you know, I said my talk on the veranda.
So like,
And thing.
what do you think? You feel like she's a nice person?
Oh, my wife are
No, I'm not talking my wife still. You know, I'm just certain things are not add up and I see certain signs and I don't know if me I read into things or me I overreact or is my mind a play tricks for me. But she a move like feel like she have an affair. Yeah man, she not do certain things where she used to do. The communication breakdown in the relationship and she not talk to me like she used to talk to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You have to understand this thing, you know. You see, sometimes in a woman's world, when I go through them monthly cycle, them change. So if you are request certain things within that cycle, you will find yourself attacked to a different somebody totally. So nobody feel say as she had the problem and rate it. Maybe you just ask her certain things at the wrong time. Cause guess what? As some my woman stay to, you know. We can't talk to her a certain time, bro.
So she stay?
Yeah, man, some my woman stay and I tell you say, like, alright, it's every time the first part of the month, I know I have to leave her alone. Just buy her beer fruits, and just leave her alone. I can't even come round her in her bed or nothing at all like that. Because I know it's a fear time that maybe you check for your woman at that time and it turn her off. And she make you, like, if she say, you don't understand her. I remember, it's a woman's world.
So you say, I read too much into this?
You read wrong, brother. A man no read. Man just do.
You know what? I'm gonna listen to your phone. I listen to your advice.
And let me know how it turn out.
Yeah, respect, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Kind of give me a little perspective on things, you know, I appreciate that.
Don't take it so hard, man. Because Brittany a good lady, you know. Yeah, man.
You see, if any at all you want to work in the hotel industry, you can give me a link, you know, because we can use heads like you, we can reason out certain things. You know?
Definitely, man. Definitely, brother.
Respect, right, brother. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, man. You too, sir.
Yes, chief. What are we doing?